Are you struggling to access critical business insights on the go, making real-time, data-driven decisions a challenge? Being tied to your desktop for performance metrics can hinder agility. That's where the Microsoft Power BI app comes in. This app extends the power of your business intelligence, allowing you to monitor your most vital data and insights directly from your mobile device. Power BI provides interactive dashboards and reports, letting you drill down into data, set alerts, and share findings securely. It connects to various data sources, keeping you updated on sales, operations, or customer trends instantly. Many business users praise its intuitive interface and the convenience of having essential KPIs at their fingertips for rapid decision-making. However, some have reported occasional performance issues with very large or complex reports or minor delays in data synchronization. Despite potential performance nuances, if you need to visualize and interact with your business data effectively and make informed decisions anywhere, the Power BI app is an indispensable tool. What's your thought?